Hello, how are you doing? Today we are going to make this type of beanie. So let us dive into the pattern. So to begin with, I am going to use the Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Now I'm holding the yarn tail in my hand, then crossing over the working yarn to the other side, holding on here, inserting my hook into that loop and making a single crochet. Now this loop is our magic circle. I'm going to make 2 more chains, so it is 3 chains, which is considered as a double crochet. I am going to make 9 more double crochets, so altogether we have 10 double crochet in this round. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 double crochets. Now I'm going to pull the yarn tail, close that circle really tight. I'm going to, this is the 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to make a slip stitch in here to close this round. Okay, now I'm going to make chain 2, which is not considered as a stitch, so we are going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So 1 and 2. In the next stitch also 2 double crochets. So continue making 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. You will have 20 double crochet at the end of this row. This round of 20 double crochets are done. We are going to join to the top of the first double crochet right here. Now in the next round we are going to make chain 2, which is not considered as a stitch. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 in the next one, 2 double crochet in the next one. So this pattern is 1, 2, 1 in the next one, 2 in the next stitch. So 1, then 2 in the next stitch. So go ahead and finish this round. You will have 30 double crochets in this round. The slip stitch to the first double crochet of the round. Now we have to measure this one and see what is the diameter of the circle. So this is 3.5 inch diameter. This is enough for a baby beanie, 0 to 3 months old. Chain 2, then that is not considered as a stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Then I'm going to make a chain 1, and around the post of this double crochet I'm going to make 3 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 3 half double crochets. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch and making a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 and making 3 half double crochets around the post of this one. 1, 2, 3. Then skip the next stitch, going to the next stitch here, making another double crochet, chain 1, then 3 half double crochets, second one and the third one. Now skip the next one, make another double crochet, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, continue this round and I will show you how to start the next round. This round is completed and I am going to join to this chain 1 space, then make a chain 2, just not a stitch, then make a double crochet, chain 1 and repeat the pattern same way like the other one. Make a 3 half double crochet around the post of this double crochet. Then this one is done, so you are going to the next chain 1 space and make a double crochet, again chain 1 and make half double crochet, 1, this is 2, this is 3. Move to the next chain 1 space, then chain 1, make a half double crochet, chain 1 and 1, 2, 3 half double crochet. Repeat this all across for 3 more rows, then we will meet again. If you like, you can use a crochet hook one size smaller than the one you used for the top, then you can relaxedly crochet. Otherwise, make your tension tight to make this one, otherwise it will go a little outside, like wider. So we are on the last row here of the pattern. Then there is a change and we will see that. See how it is looking. It looks beautiful, right? Now we made 4 rows of pattern. Now you can make 1 or 2 more rows and leave it just like this, or what I like to do is chain 1, make a half double crochet in the same space, then chain 1, go to the next one, make a half double crochet, chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, make a half double crochet, then chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, make a half double crochet, and repeat all across. We are going to join on top of that first half double crochet with the slip stitch. Now chain 1, then make 2 half double crochet in each of the chain 1 spaces. Two half double crochet in each of the chain 1 spaces. It's coming like this. Join to the first half double crochet. If you wanted to create a brim, just chain 1 and make a front post half double crochet, then in the next one a back post half double crochet, again front post in the next one, back post in the next one. Repeat 2 or 3 rows of front post and back post alternating, and that is enough for the brim. The next pattern I'm going to make is creating a blanket for using this pattern, or making a scarf using this pattern. Also, I will show you how to make a mummy and me. This is the me one, so I'll make another one how to make the same pattern in the adult version. So stay tuned for that one. Now my baby beanie is finished. So cute. So next we are going to work on the scarf. Then we will work on an adult beanie to make this same pattern. Meanwhile, if you are interested, you can watch some of the beanie patterns I made available right here.